Oh, some ice is coming down. Oh. Yeah. So, sir, you're a guiding camera?
Yeah, that's right.
So what kind of trips do you do?
Lots of ice climbing, like out here at the world famous Weeping Wall. Lots of ice climbing around Canmore too, so nice day for it here.
Yeah, I got you some raw footage
Yeah,
up there.
nice.
So do you have like a website or something?
Yeah, I do. It's Canadian Rockies Alpine Guides. It's the name of my company.
Cool. I'll have it under the cliff.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Nice.
My site is seeitfromthetop.com.
Which one?
So if you can send me email about this footage, seeitfromthetop.com. See it from the top.
See is from the top.
See it from the top.
Oh, see it from the top.
.com, yeah.
I see this website. I came across.
There's my email there, so if you can send, we can communicate maybe.
For sure, yeah. I will.
If you filmed us.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I did, but only a little footage of you because there are lots of guys here.
Well, it's whatever, yeah.
But yeah, I got for sure. Even from down there, I went down there on a highway. Yeah, I'll send you email tonight.
Nice. Yeah, so you see it from the top. You'll.
Yeah, it's here. I'll hear a sound then. I remember.
Okay, thank you.
All right, cheers.
Take care.
Have fun. So if somebody wants to get a hold of you on a website or
Yeah. There's the email address is all over the website. So.
what's your name? So
J Mills.
cool. I'm Adrian.
What's your name?
Adrian.
Adrian.
Yeah, my YouTube channel is Calgary Alpine Style.
Okay.
I'll send you the links.
Cool. Thanks.
Calgary Alpine Style.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can probably remember that.
All right. Cheers.
Take care.
But actually, that's on YouTube, right? YouTube name.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.